Here we have a pendulum bob swings through an arc 60 inches long on its first swing. Each swing thereafter, it swings only 71% as far as on the previous swing. What is the length of the arc after 10 swings? We shall round our answer to 2 decimal places if necessary. Here we know the initial value, or the first value, is 60 inches. So then we have A1 is 60 inches. And it says that it swings only 71% as far as on the previous swing. So then we know R, the common ratio, is 0.71. Based on the formula for the geometric sequence, we know the nth turn or nth swing equals the length of the first swing times the common ratio to the exponent, which is 1 less than the sub-index n here. We know our initial value is 60 inches, and we know our common ratio is 0.71 to the n minus 1. So when n is 10, we then substitute 10 for n. So put a 10 here. 10 minus 1 is 9. And then we have a 60 times 0.71 to the 9th power. We shall get 2.75 inches. How to calculate this one? Turn on your calculator. 60 times 0.71 to the 9th power. You have a 2.75 inches. All right, see you next time.